look, I have no room. The top is right here. I need some edge control. I don't have it on. So, where are we headed? Where are we coming from and where are we headed?
We are leaving the raggedy foot doctor. It's not
Right.
He's not raggedy. He was raggedy in my dream, but he wasn't raggedy today.
Tell us about your dream.
Okay, so I fell down the stairs. Show me the backstory. I fell down the stairs October 30th. And it's been hurting ever since. But the emergency room said it was fractured and he said it was sprained. And I was very much upset at both outcomes. So,
And I'm telling y'all, the emergency room was telling us, oh my God, you need crutches right now. We're going to have to wrap your foot up. Oh my God, don't walk on it. Don't walk on it. But what did the
podiatrist said, child, please. And I said, okay.
He said they were pretty much overreacting.
Yeah.
And she was just all for that, you know. So
Correct. Yeah, and that was over 2 weeks ago.
insert the video of me zooming in on your boob.
Gmail.
Yahoo.
Gmail.
Jersey Mike's! Yes! Jersey Mike's too. So they've been talking about putting the Jersey Mike's over there. Tanglewood is growing, y'all. Tanglewood Mall. Y'all know we ain't had nothing over here.
The
little new shopping center that they're building. If you know, you know. If you don't, it's okay. But the one with the Chipotle and the Aspen Dental. Now we're getting a Jersey Mike's. I don't live in Roanoke, but I'm in Tanglewood all the time. So we're growing.
I'm not excited about things that I should already have.
I know that.
Or that I'm already used to having.
We'll be excited that they're coming.
Give it
But anyway, the doctor was like, okay, yeah, the ER was overreacting. In so many words, that's what he said. She was all for that.
Correct, because the boob was ugly. I'm gonna show y'all. Whiplash.
Stop. She be talking about I be driving rough in her little car.
Y'all saw how fast she just pulled in.
They could not see.
Look at this. Look at this. How weirdness. Not.
Just imagine, y'all know how stubborn she is. If you don't know, you know now. She's very stubborn.
Wow.
And if she doesn't want to do something, she's not going to do it.
Period.
So she was blatantly refusing. As soon as we walked out of the ER, before we knew she didn't need it, she was like, I'm not wearing that. I'm not wearing that. But anyway, fast forward to today.
Last night I had a dream.
Yeah.
That my doctor was not listening to my concerns about my pain threshold. And so, long story short, I laid him out and I woke up this morning and I was like, hope I don't have to do that today. And I didn't. We got to the
I didn't think
doctor's
she would. I didn't think she would, and I wouldn't let her get to the point where she's laying some.
Almost.
No, she wouldn't. She wouldn't, because he's a very nice man.
and Sarah Bishop's almost.
Stop.
The last time he had a little fellowship
Person.
situation, and I just
So
felt like
she was trying to be on her best behavior.
because you know how
'Cause
doctors
you know, I
are.
get
This is a teaching hospital. Grey's Anatomy
Yeah.
is a teaching hospital. So he had to let the little fellowship boy help. But I was like,
Yeah. But this time he was by himself, and
touched my foot. He actually touched my foot today.
He did.
He didn't touch my foot the last time.
This area, when people injure their foot, it's 9 out of 10 times it's up here. What have you noticed? In case, I do think it's not a bad idea to look into it. I think a CT scan would probably be more appropriate than an MRI. An MRI looks at things like little ligaments, which are, above the bone, within the bone. And
I think we pretty much both knew that he wasn't going to have much of a answer or a response, because your foot has still been hurting, and
It's December 2nd.
yeah, so he really had nothing that he could say, nothing that was necessary for us to do, for them to do. So he's just like, ice it, rest it,
No running.
He
No
said,
jogging.
try not to do any running or any jumping. Y'all know how she be showing. So look, I said, no more Baptist fits. No more Baptist fits. Calm down. But I get it. If you can't hold in your praise, you just can't hold it in.
Trot.
So, oh God. At least the foot is not broken. At least it's not like severely injured.
He doesn't know that.
I
He said
know.
to get a CT. He doesn't know.
He said the CT was optional.
He said it was suggested, but he said, I don't know finances or anything, but I wouldn't recommend an MRI. I recommend a CT. And CT kind of gets down in there, you know, looks at the ligaments and things like that. And if it's still hurting, you know.
Do we need to go back to the ER? Tell him we need a CT scan.
Just give him Grey's Anatomy. I could do my own CT.
Okay. With what?
The CT machine.
Where?
At the hospital.
Self-serve CT service.
Yes.
Okay.
I have
Do
privileges.
Do you want to get a second opinion from a different podiatrist? Because
possibly, yes.
we can
I fell
schedule.
October 30th. It's December 2nd. My foot still hurts. I've been wearing flats to church.
Enjoying yourself. Oh, yeah, that looks like you're enjoying.
For a while now.
And crying real tears every time.
For a while now. And she tried to look real fancy on Thanksgiving with her little green boots. Insert the photo. Foot hurting. It's trying to be cute. Look, no, this is not appropriate. That is a heel. That is a heel. Talking about she ain't been wearing heels. She has been wearing heels.
It was one
very
time.
rarely. Honestly, yes, one time. No, but
time.
Also, it was another service.
Probably like right after I injured myself.
You had the little booties on? No,
I wore heels. Probably like a few days after. Probably like the next week. It was probably the next week because it was first Sunday.
right.
I did wear heels that day. But I did take them off shortly after because my foot was hurting.
We walk on our feet every day, and we need our feet to feel okay. Her foot doesn't feel okay.
Yeah, I could always do piggyback rides, but I'm sure it's
Not
not
on
on
me. I don't have the capacity to do that all day, every day. So
I didn't say all day.
quite a few times. More, probably.
Good try.
We're about to
Sit
go
on
into
wagon.
Panera. We're about to go into Panera. I guess we'll show them what we get. I guess.
See ya.